The CKP crankshaft position sensor, a primary input to the PCM, detects the crankshaft's position and speed, crucial for engine timing and fuel delivery. A faulty CKP sensor can cause various issues, including a check engine light, hard starting, stalling, rough running, misfires, and poor fuel economy. Function of the CKP sensor. Determines engine timing. The CKP sensor provides the engine control module with vital information about the crankshaft's position and speed, which is essential for accurately timing the ignition and fuel injection. It ensures proper fuel delivery. By knowing the crankshaft's position, the ECU can ensure that fuel is injected at the correct time for optimal combustion. Crankshaft position, CKP, sensors come in two main types, inductive or magnetic reluctor and Hall effect. Inductive sensors use a magnet and a coil to detect changes in the magnetic field caused by the crankshaft's rotating wheel, while Hall effect sensors use a magnetic field and a Hall effect device to detect the same changes. Inductive or magnetic reluctor sensors. These sensors consist of a coil of wire wrapped around a magnet. A pulse wheel with teeth or notches is mounted on the crankshaft or harmonic balancer. As the teeth notches pass the sensor, they disrupt the magnetic field, inducing a voltage change in the coil, which the ECU interprets as crankshaft position. These sensors are often referred to as variable reluctance sensors. They generate an analog signal. They typically have two wires. A Hall effect sensors. These sensors use a Hall effect device, which is a semiconductor that generates a voltage when exposed to a magnetic field. A magnetic wheel with teeth or notches is mounted on the crankshaft or harmonic balancer. As the teeth notches pass the sensor, they disrupt the magnetic field, causing the Hall effect device to change its output voltage, which the ECU interprets as crankshaft position. These sensors generate a digital signal. They typically have 3 or 4 wires. Symptoms of a faulty CKP sensor. Check engine light. A faulty sensor can trigger the CEL, indicating a problem with the engine's operation. Hard starting or no start. The engine may be difficult to start or fail to start altogether if the ECU doesn't receive accurate information from the CKP sensor. Engine stalling. A faulty sensor can cause the engine to stall, especially while driving, as the ECU struggles to maintain proper timing and fuel delivery. Rough running or misfires. A faulty sensor can lead to an engine running roughly or experiencing misfires, as the timing and fuel delivery are compromised. Poor fuel economy. If the engine is not running efficiently due to incorrect timing and fuel delivery, fuel economy can suffer. Extended cranking times. You might experience extended cranking times or the engine failing to start altogether. Stalling or sudden shutdowns. A faulty CPS can result in random stalling or sudden engine shutdowns while driving. Diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs. Common DTCs related to CKP sensor issues include P0335, P0336, P0337, and P0338.